I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Shopify store is on hold and you're looking to unlock the shop, follow these steps. Step 1. Review Shopify's email. Check your email for any communication from Shopify regarding the hold. They usually provide specific reasons and necessary actions. Step 2. Address the issues. Identify and resolve any issues mentioned in the email. This could involve updating payment information or verifying your identity. Step 3. Submit required documents. If Shopify requests documents, gather and submit them through the Shopify admin. This may include business licenses or tax information. Step 4. Contact Shopify support. If the hold persists, reach out to Shopify support. Provide them with your store details and any previous correspondence. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting everything, wait for Shopify to review your case. They will notify you via email once the hold is lifted. Remember, patience is key during this process. Good luck getting your shop back up and running.